take a look at problem number 3. This is going to be a very important kind of problem that we do. By the way, this thing has a name. It's called an inclined plane, like a flat plane from like geometry class. Not like an aeroplane, silly. Okay. Now, the forces acting on this mass. This is the thing that confuses students. I'm going to tell you, people who have never taken physics before, and when I tell them there's no friction on this plane, what people want to say is they really want to draw like this mysterious force of sliding. They'll even call it like there's a force of sliding down the plane. I'm just going to tell you right now, that's wrong. It's a terrible thing to write. So I'm going to draw the correct free body diagram. So remember, the normal force is perpendicular to the surface. So diagonally to the surface, I draw this normal force. And then pointing downwards is the gravity force. A lot of people love to draw something like this, like they'll draw a weight like this and normal force like that. They'll do all kinds of messed up stuff. No. The weight force is the force of Earth pulling on it. Earth doesn't care that there's a plane here, so it's just going to pull that object straight down. And the normal force points perpendicular to this plane. And we have no guarantee that W and N are equal, so don't assume that W is actually equal to N. Now this leaves us with a problem. Fine, I told you there's no force of sliding, so now our job next week is to explain how can these two forces, how do these two forces combine? How do they make the block slide? That's the big mystery. Dun dun dun. We have to figure that out, right? So, I'm sorry if these videos are really annoying. You have to understand that I'm very tired, and so this is what you get. Alrighty. So, again, get these in your notes, and please let me know, like, as we're kind of working, you can email me with questions. Like, I'll be back Tuesday. These are important diagrams. Like, we're going to get to the point where you actually have to, like, reproduce these from memory, but you're going to draw them so much that you're just going to know how they work. So this is kind of an introduction to what these look like. What I want to encourage you to do now is, why don't you take a guess? What do you think the free body diagram for number 4 should look like? And we'll go over that in the next video.